Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW X5 into neutral using a simple method. This is incredibly useful if you need to move your vehicle for towing or maintenance, especially when the engine cannot be started. We will cover the straightforward steps to safely engage neutral mode, ensuring you can move your vehicle with ease. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, level location. Place your foot firmly on the brake pedal. This is crucial for safety throughout the process. Next, press the start/stop button once without pressing the brake pedal. This will activate the vehicle's ignition and electrical system, but the engine will remain off, which is exactly what we need. With your foot still on the brake, locate the gear selector. Press and hold the small unlock button on the side of the selector. While holding this button, gently push the gear selector forward into the neutral position. Continue to hold the selector in neutral for approximately 5 seconds to ensure it engages properly and securely. After holding for 5 seconds, you should see the letter N illuminated on your instrument cluster, confirming the vehicle is in neutral. To exit neutral, simply press the P button on the gear selector or press the start/stop button again. Remember to always engage your parking brake before exiting the vehicle, ensuring it remains securely in place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.